Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the Artsy Accountant. Today I wanted to share with you all this little transformation of our game area and Justin's music corner. This is where we have our weekly game nights. This video will be a little more fast-paced, but let's get on into it. So welcome, and as I said, today's video will be a little bit more fast-paced. With the baby, I haven't had a lot of time to film, so a lot of those details of me building things and, filming every aspect, I really just didn't have time to do this time. So let's just jump on into it. I started off by gathering all of Justin's books and music supplies. I put the shelf in and decorated it. This is how it turned out. Next, it was time to tackle this area. This was really the problem area. We just have too many games and not enough storage space. I thought this wall would be the perfect space for a new shelf. Finally got these paintings up. I've had them forever. My sister did them for us. And then from there, I just went ahead and filled in the shelves. I organized the games by color, and I think this ended up looking really decorative and organized, not so messy like it did before. Moving on to this side, I don't know how we had all our games on here before. I barely fit these. I organized all of the smaller bits and pieces with this drawer organizer. I think that turned out really nice. And then same thing, I just kind of organized by color. I pretty much have all of our neutral games over here, all of our smaller party games, and I think that this turned out really nice. Okay, now that that is all done, time to move on to this mess. Never fails, after I get a project done, everything else kind of falls to the wayside and it's time to pick up and clean up once again. And here is my little helper through the whole thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.